Alright, ang part 6 natin sa animal side. Talaga ito yung pinakamahabang vlog ko, guys. Kasi marami talaga magtatampo at nag-aabang dito sa aking Chinese Logical Astrology animal sign for the year of 2026 Fire Horse. Okay, now let's go to the rooster. Okay, rooster, if you have water element, okay, katulad ng sabi ko, if you have water element, huwag ka muna maging cold-hearted. Try to mingle, okay? If, meron akong kino-coach na isang rooster leader, okay? Online, okay? If you know me, okay, listen to this, guys. Okay, listen po tayo dito, sir. Madam. Okay, rooster kasi, if you have water element, ah, iwasan mo muna maging cold-hearted. Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya, get in touch, rich people, go to them. Okay, because this fire horse is a jolly year. Okay, the people and your group and yung nasasakupan mo, yung fellowship mo, will appreciate you. Okay, to when you reach out to them. And horse is travel. Okay, as much as possible, talagang nakatulong yung pakikipagsalamuha mo sa mga iba-ibang tao. Ang mga tao sa iba't ibang bansa, nagkakaroon ka ng alliances, nagkakaroon ka ng kaibigan, nagkakaroon ka ng foreign relationship. And this is very good, not just for you, but for the people, for the governance, for the group that you maintain. Ngayon, intact mo yung mga tao na yan. Okay, they have different ugali, they have different size, they have different tantrums, meron silang mga sarili-sariling saltek. Okay, ipuli mo sila lahat and then empower them. Okay, rooster is a very good year for the year of fire horse. Why? If you know the rooster, they don't dress na malamya, yung hindi sila marunong magdamit, walang ganun ako nakita na horse. Na rooster. Rooster is a crown. They carry a crown, yung palong na kulay red. They are born to lead. It's always their fate to lead people. And the good thing about the rooster is that they are maamo silang tingnan eh. Huwag mo lang sasalingin ang pamilya niya. Huwag mo lang guguluhin. Kasi sa Chinese zodiac, okay, yung mga babae, na merong mga babaerong asawa, the elder always advise them to put a figurine rooster sa labas ng bahay para yung asawa ng lalaki is hindi na babae. Okay, kahit tanongin nyo, kahit kaninong elder or feng shui expert, okay, as I studied feng shui in Korea and in Hong Kong, madalas akong umatay ng mga crash courses dahil busy nga yung ex ko. Okay, so ako naman, at kung saan meron kong seminar, nandun ako. Okay, minsan hindi ko na kinukuha yung certificate. Basta alam ko lang, masaya na ako. And then I collect books for feng shui. Dahil nga, syempre, Chinese ka, you have to know your roots. You have to know your ano. So going back to rooster, no, the rooster has a crown. Okay, they are born to lead. They are prepared leader. Napakaswerte natin na tayo ay merong pangulo na prepared siya. Hindi mo siya pwedeng anuhin. They look innocent, they look very harmless, but to tell you frankly, they are strategies. As, umaga pa lang yan, madaling araw pa lang yan. They know what to do. Oh, eto, ganito gawin mo. It's very good. They are the... Sila yung suppose... If you know the rooster, siya yung gumigising sa buong farm. Diba? 4 a.m. pa lang. Tik-talaok. That's the rooster. Okay, now, if you are a water rooster, mingle again. Okay, pero piliin mo yung mga tao na pangit. Yung mga pangit, anuhin mo muna, iwasan mo muna siya. Avoid conflict. Huwag ka makipag-away. Kasi rooster sometimes, they really, sumasabog yan eh. Lumalaban yan talaga. Okay, don't mess up with the rooster people. They're very good. They use people. Okay? So, let's go to By the way, the rooster will have a lot of money, a lot of recognition, not just sa nasasakupan mo, but outside the country. Okay, you will be one of the most powerful, renowned leader, not just in Asia, but also international, globally. Even the European country will be amazed of your leadership. Okay, next. Let's go to dog. Dog is a territorial animal. Okay, if you will notice, if you go to a dog owner, a dog person who pag pumunta ka sa bahay ng isang dog person, inaano ka yan, tinitipla ka, sinisiyasan ka. Okay, parang yung sa ka nag-aaral, sino kasama mo? Parang ganun sila eh. Dog is a territorial. They do not let you go with the group unless tested ka nila. Okay? Because a dog is a loyal animal. Napakalaki ng deal sa kanila ng loyalty. Pag nakitaan ka nila ng betrayal, they will sue you right away. Tatanggalin ka sa grupo. Kahit umiyak ka dyan, kahit maglupasan ka dyan, I don't trust you anymore. Ganun ang dog. And dog is a very loyal, they have a loyal characteristic. Okay, the loyalty will become their instrument to gain power, to gain influence, to gain people. Kahit yung negosyo mo, luray-luray na, or ang pangit na ng mga tinda mo, pinupuntahan ka because you have a lot of friends. Okay, ganun ang dog, okay? So that's why people are loyal to you. They keep coming back. Okay, sabi nga nila, kahit anong ibenta ng dog, bibili mo yan because you are a friend with them. Okay, they go to you, they seek your friendship. Not just, kaya importante sa sales friendly ka, diba? Importante sa sales lady, you look friendly, you look approachable, you look mabait, you smile, magpaka-plastic ka girl, okay? Kasi diyan mo makikita yung sales mo, diyan mo makikita yung money that will be coming to you. Okay, nasa na ba ako? Okay, let's go to, last but not the least, the boar. Boar animal, okay, if you are very sick last time, di ba, ang hirap ng health mo, at talagang, very down ka, halos mamatay ka na. If you have water element, okay, be careful, be very careful if you are a boar, kasi fire is not good, okay, you should have something na may wood element, because if you are fire boar or fire pig, water pig, yan 50-50 yan. So, kailangan ilaban mo yan. And then, go with the wood. Lagyan mo yung wall mo ng brown. And then, masisik mo yung healing powers mo, yung healing mo sa katawan mo. Get an spiritual healing. Okay, go to the church. Avoid yung mga libing, mga lamay, because that gives you energy. Yung humawa ka pa lang sa patay na tao, it will give you a bad luck. Okay? Lalo na kung hindi mo kadugo. And then, of course, syempre, katulad ko sa business development ako for Chinese, we are not allowed, for 8 years, we are not allowed to touch or to go to lamay or patay. Okay? Because we are developing business. We are being consultant. Okay, we do feng shui cures. So we are not allowed to go to wake, to libing, ganyan. Alright? So because we pray for them, okay, more people, okay, eat nutritious food. Huwag ka muna magkain. Avoid any form of meat. You eat fish and then fruits. And eventually, this will be your healing year. If you didn't have the healing year for snake, kasi snake is a healing period. Itong year na to is a snake, it's a healing period. Okay?